Okay, so you are going to go into CBDesk and then search for MarketQuest and click on that. And when it pulls up, if you have access to multiple MLSs, you'll want to go up here and click on Change MLS to, whichever one you want to use. And there's different modules here. We're going to use the number one claims module, but I'm also going to show you the market snapshot one because you can probably benefit from that one too. But we'll start with the number one claims. So when you click on that, you're going to kind of focus on this left vertical toolbar over here. If you need to change the MLS, you can do that up there. If you want to search by location, so let's say we're just looking in Cumberland, just Cumberland City, or if you want to do Allegheny County, whatever you want to do, you can filter through there. And then if you want to drive down even further, you can. And then, I need to move this. And then you're going to click on Update. And this is going to show basically everything that we're number one in based on whatever filters you put in here. So we only did a location filter of Cumberland. So this is showing you we're number one in buy-side volume, buy-side units, list-side units, total units, whatever. You can also filter it down. Let's say we're not getting like a ton of number one claims, or you want to manipulate the data a little bit. You could filter it by last quarter, year to date, or keep it as last year. And then by default, this includes all of Coldwell Banker. So if there's any CBR agents that are doing business in the area as well, that will show up. So if you want to filter it just by brokerage, you can do that, and it will only show CBP stuff. So then once you do that, you're just going to click on whatever whatever claim that you want to make the graphic for. Total volume is probably a good one. And then scroll to the bottom where it says download marketing assets, and you can select either one. I like this one because it kind of shows the competition, but you could also select this one too, but it's, not very informative. And then once you do that, you can click on, if you want it to be a social, if you want it to be a wide graphic, if you want it to be a story, or you want it to be square. And then real quick, I will show you the market snapshot as well. This is pretty cool. So this will show you different data points for certain markets. So you can select, I don't know if you can, actually you can't edit data points. So let's look up Cumberland again. You can filter down by property type. So if you have a lot of mobile homes in the area, you can select that as well. Click on Update, and then it will pull social graphics for you to share. So if you click on Edit Data Points, you can select up to 5, or you have to select 5. So let's say you want to do, number of properties for sale, new listings, all of that. You just click Save. You can also deselect agent info if you're sharing these on the office pages. Click on Share Snapshot, and then you can select if you want it to be wide, story, square, or postcard, which we wouldn't need. But anyway, these are pretty cool too. Obviously, it shows the area, it shows the time frame that the data was pulled from, and then all those data points too. So let me know if you have any questions.